In this video, let me show you how you can play and download the LEGO Fortnite game on your Android device. Welcome back to Solving Factory. The steps will be easy and I'll walk you through the whole procedure. Open your Chrome or Google, search for Epic Games Android. You should see Epic Games Fortnite Mobile in the search results. Click on that and the automatic download will appear. Click on Download Anyway. After downloading, install it on your Android device. After installing, you will see an app called Epic Games. Open that app, and you will see various Android games available. Find Fortnite, click Install. The whole game might be around 11 gig, so be prepared for a larger download. Once installed, you can play the LEGO Fortnite game on your device. Enjoy! Solving Factory at your service. Kindly give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and leave a comment for your suggestions. We'll see you on the next video.